Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we've got a big one for the furries. We have Zootopia 2 in a 4K Steelbook. Now, like a lot of Disney movies, this has not been released in a standard 4K release. I have nothing against Steelbooks personally, although I do dislike how, because of the cost of them, they usually ship in limited quantities. And right now, this release is really hard to find. Like, it is truly hard to find this at the moment. And that's a problem for a lot of fans who want this. This is a movie that made over $1 billion worldwide. There's going to be more demand for it than usual, and yet they're still releasing these limited quantities to the point where I managed to get 2 copies, and a friend was like, man, did you manage to get an extra copy? And I sold it to him. But like, he was asking on the same day of release, so it was like, what the heck? This is also not in 3D. I guess I'll check Japan to see if there's a 3D release at some point. And, you know, that disappoints me, but boy, they really have not gone back to the 3D well for TV. So anyway, I like this poster. It shows, you know, Nick and Judy on the run with the new snake character. There's a bunch of the side characters on the side. They do show you, in case you don't want to open it, what the inside looks like, but we're going to open it and look at it. On the side, it's just a continuation of the artwork, and on the slipcover that you are going to be removing, it shows screenshots of the movie. There are a fair amount of special features, it looks like, including deleted scenes, music video, you know, the way things used to work before everything went straight to Disney+. So let's open this and let's see what the whole set looks like. Okay, so on the back, okay, so there's no really continuing artwork. On the back, there's Nick and Judy and the snake. So it would have been cool if they could have continued, but I guess I understand why they didn't. Let's take the digital code out. I'm not giving that one away this time, sorry folks. And okay, so as with most Disney discs, they do have artwork. This is the 4K disc, you know, pretty good. And then I guess on the Blu-ray disc, they are emphasizing the snake. I'm sorry, I don't remember what the snake's name is. I know he's voiced by Ki Kwan, but that's honestly, the snake's not a super memorable character in my opinion. So it is kind of cool that the characters would be like surrounding the discs in a way, but of course it's not quite enough to actually surround the disc. So that seems like a poor design choice, because if you put the discs there, it covers that fact up. If you take the disc out, they're just looking at empty space. So I'm not sure if that was the best design they could have come with. Not that it matters too much. I want to stress the movie, which is good, is the main feature of anything you buy. It is interesting that when you take the cover off, Zootopia 2 is not displayed anywhere on the front. It's just on the side. So that is an interesting design choice as well. And look, if you are a fan of Zootopia, this artwork is great. There's so many little things, like we have like little mobsters and the little police, and we have the stallion mayor there. We have Judy's parents on the side. So, you know, there's a lot of little Easter eggs on this cover that's pretty cool. But I am curious, were you able to find this? Because finding this is right now the biggest problem. I hear that there are more heading to retailers, but the problem with things like Steelbooks is that you don't know how many shipments they're going to have and how many they're going to commit to. And so this has become much harder to find than it should be. I really look at this and it's like, wow, I remember back in the VHS days, there would be walls of VHS copies of the latest Disney release. Same thing with the Blu-rays. Now each store gets like a handful, which is far less than what the demand is. It's really crazy when you stop and think about how far physical media has dropped. But there's still people like us buying it, and I can still say I have every Disney animated movie on physical media, except technically Make Mine Music, because it's censored and I don't consider that the movie, but whatever. So I'd like to know, were you able to get this? What do you think of it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.